Meaning of Dorset.
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 Dorset. Dorset is a county located in the southwest of England. It is known for its stunning Jurassic coastline, which boasts beautiful rock formations and fossils. The name Dorset might have originated from the Old English word Dornseat, which means the people living in the land with spears. Dorset has a rich history, with evidence of settlements dating back to the Neolithic era. Today, the county is a popular tourist destination, offering visitors a range of activities such as hiking, cycling, water sports, and exploring historic towns and villages.